This is the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Edenton. Edenton, yeah. This fan was installed in the kitchen when we moved in, and we're gonna replace it because I cannot show you any speeds because I'll only show you one speed because the pull chain is completely yanked off, and I have to show you one speed, so I have to get the switch turned on. Yeah, that's low. And the light. I think the ceiling fan make noises, I think. I don't think so. So I'll turn it off. That's all. I can show you one speed. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.